am going to discuss the concept of absolute value. Absolute value of a rational number is the numerical value regardless of the sign attached with the rational number. That means the negative or the positive sign is ignored and the numerical value is used. The vertical bars are used to represent the absolute values. For example, if I have a rational number m by n and a rational number with minus m by n, then the absolute value of m by n is equal to m by n, and absolute value of minus m by n is also equal to m by n. That means we are only considering the numeric value of m and n, and we are ignoring the sign. It may be positive or it may be negative. It is not considered in the absolute value. Now let us suppose we are to compare the absolute value of minus 5 by 7 with 4 by 3. That means we are given two rational numbers. One is minus 5 by 7 and the other is 4 by 3, and we have to compare these two rational numbers, and we have to compare the absolute values of these two rational numbers. For this, first we will take the absolute value of minus 5 by 7 and it will be equal to 5 by 7. Absolute value of 4 by 3 will be equal to 4 by 3. Now we have to compare 5 by 7 with 4 by 3. To compare two rational numbers 5 by 7 and 4 by 3, we can only compare when we have the same denominator in both the terms. Now for that we will try to convert them into equivalent fractions with the same denominator. LCM of 7 and 3 comes out to be 21 because 7 and 3 are co-prime numbers. Now to convert 5 by 7 into a number with the denominator as 21, I will multiply 7 with 3. That means 7 into 3 is 21. Similarly, for this I will multiply 5 with 3 because we have to get an equivalent fraction, and that can be found only when we multiply the same number with the numerator and with the denominator. So we have multiplied 3 with the numerator and 3 with the denominator, and I have got 15 upon 21. Similarly, I will convert 4 by 3 into an equivalent fraction with the denominator 21. For this, I will multiply 3 with 7. Now 3 into 7 means 21, and because I am multiplying the denominator with 7, I will multiply the numerator with 7. That means 4 into 7, and it will come out to be 28 upon 21. So we can say that when we have two rational numbers, or we have any number of rational numbers, if we want to compare them, we have to first convert them into equivalent fractions with the same denominator. Now 5 by 7 and 4 by 3 have been converted into equivalent fractions, 15 upon 21 and 28 upon 21. Now as the denominators are same, on comparing 15 by 21 and 28 by 21, as they both have the same denominator 21 and 28 is greater than 21, so we can say that this number, this is greater than this, or I can say 5 by 7 is less than 4 by 3. Similarly, we can say that the absolute value of minus 5 by 7 is greater than absolute value of 4 by 3. So whenever we are supposed to compare the absolute values, we will first find the absolute values and then we'll try to convert them into equivalent fractions with the same denominator, and when the denominators are same, we'll compare the numerators to see which of the two are greater, and we have seen that in minus 5 by 7 and 4 by 3, the absolute value of 5 by 7 minus 5 by 7 was 5 by 7, 4 by 3 was 4 by 3. So I had to compare 5 by 7 with 4 by 3. For this, I tried to make equivalent fractions with the same denominator. For that, I took LCM of 7 and 3, which came out to be 21. Now 5 by 7 has been converted into an equivalent fraction with denominator 21, that is 15 upon 21. Similarly, 4 by 3 is equivalent to 28 upon 21. On comparing them, I found that the absolute value of minus 5 by 7 is less than the absolute value of 4 by